Hello students, let's start today's session. Standard 4th, Subject EVS Part 2, Lesson number 7, Swaraj First Conquest. Students, can you tell me what you have learned in previous session? Yes, right. In the previous session, you have learned the drums of Swaraj begin to sound. In that, you have learnt with a few selected bands of Maulas, Shivaji descended into the Kanad valley, captured the strategic position in the fort. Tanaji Malusare hosted the Maratha flag at the main entrance. Yesaji Kang, a trustworthy and loyal champion of Shivaji. The fort was captured almost without any resistance, and the sky was filled with shouts of Shivaji Maharaj ki Jai. Shivaji named this Torna fort as a Prachandgarh. In Swaraj, all castes and communities were to be treated alike and no distinction made on the basis of caste. As repairs to the fort started, to their surprise, they discover 4 metal pots filled to the brims with muhars. The workers, overjoyed, said it was a gift to Shivaji from the goddess Bhavani. About 15 kilometers to the east of Torna is the hill of Muramdev. This hill was steep and difficult to access and of a great strategic importance. Adil Shah started constructing a fort on this hill but had left it unfinished. Shivaji decided to capture it. So students, till here you have learnt. So let's start today's topic. The first capital of Swaraj. One day Shivaji climbed up the hill with the selected bands of his trusted followers and took possession of the partially completed fort. Students, possession means control. Shivaji took the control of the partially completed fort. The money found on Torna was used to complete the fortification of Murumdev. Students, fortification, which means walls, tower, etc., built especially to protect a place against attack. Shivaji named this fort Rajgarh. Stonemasons, carpenters, blacksmiths, water carriers, other workers, all the peoples got busy. They built the Raj Mahal, Bara Mahal and 18 workshops. Students, Raj Mahal, which means a place from where the day-to-day administration was carried out, and Bara Mahal, which means a living quarters for the royal household. 18 workshops means a place where the goods needed by royal household were produced. Rajgarh became the first capital of Swaraj. So students, always remember the first capital of Swaraj is Rajgarh. Here you can see the picture of Rajgarh fort. Now, what do you see in this picture? Yes, correct. This is a picture of Pali Gate of Rajgarh fort. Next topic, Shivaji's rapid progress. From then onwards, Shivaji moved swiftly and captured one fort after another in Mawar. Swiftly, which means with speed or quickly, instant. Now, the whole country known as Baramawal, means the 12 Mawals, was overflowing with joy and excitement. Now they were all happy on Shivaji's achievement. The Patils and Deshmukhs from many villages came and sworn allegiance to Shivaji. But Mawal had its own share of black legs, who were ever ready to put a spoke in the fast-moving wheel of Swaraj. Some who were jealous on Shivaji's success complained to the Adil Shahi collector at Shirwal. The collector dispatched messenger to Bijapur and informed Adil Shah of Shivaji's rapid progress. Now, what will happen? Let's see. Shivaji, the shrewd politician. Shrewd means smart. Now, when Adil Shah came to know about all this, He was most surprised and he called Shahaji Raze and questioned him. He asked Shahaji Raze for an explanation. Now Shahaji Raze had to save himself from this difficult situation. So he told him that Shivaji Raje had probably taken over the forts for better administration. Shivaji also sent this message to the Sultan. I have taken possession of the forts for better administration of the countryside. We did this only in the interest of the Sultan. There was no evil design at the back of this action. So students, Shivaji Raje shown his shrewd means smartness here. The two forts of Kondana and Purandar too had strategic locations. Shivaji used his political skill and took control of both the forts. The next fort to come under his sway was Rohita Fort. Now Shivaji worked fast and non-stop, went on establishing one fort after the other. He conquered one fort after the other to establish Swaraj. This was fast work indeed, and there was nothing to stop Shivaji now. Thank you, students.